Hi views, today we are going to show you a best Motorola Razr 40 Ultra foldable phones video. If you are a technology lover, then this video is for you. Iconic design, reimagined. The Razr 40 Ultra is a flip phone that really catches your eye. The new model phone has been used in production: plastic front opened, glass front closed, Gorilla Glass Victus, glass back Gorilla Glass Victus, aluminum frame 7000 series, Hinge stainless steel. The phone will be equipped with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. The device offers up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. It's still one of the thinnest folding phones out, measuring just 7.58 mm when unfolded. 6.9 pulled screen. The Razr 40 Ultra smartphone featured a unique folding design with a flexible display that could be folded in half, allowing the device to be more compact when not in use. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra features a 6.9-inch internal FHD Plus display with 1080 by 2640 pixel resolution. The display offers a variable refresh rate of up to 165 Hz. Large cover display. The foldable smartphone also houses a 3.6-inch external display with 1056 by 1066 pixel resolution with 144 Hz refresh rate. The external display is protected with a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass 7 on top. Users are also allowed to customize the large external display on the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra as per their. Users will be able to change the display layout, font, colors, theme and more. Along with this, users can also access various apps directly from the external display. Perfectly smooth, built to last. Motorola industry-leading, patented teardrop hinge has been redesigned to make the flipped open display virtually creaseless, for a smooth, seamless touchscreen experience. Flipped closed, Motorola Razr 40 Ultra aligns perfectly at the top and bottom edges, for an ultra-sleek look. From incredible wide-angle shots to extreme close-ups, the versatile ultra-wide plus macro vision lens lets you capture the moment in awe-inspiring detail. See your selfie in a new light, hands-free, as quad-pixel technology increases light sensitivity by 4x. Find the best angles for hands-free selfies, video shoots, and video calls. For your most beautiful selfies, flip your Razr closed to shoot on the advanced, wide-aperture rear camera. Know about you in a better world. We all know that mobile phone or smartphone has become a very important thing in our life. So Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is back in the smartphone world. Rear camera. It seems something of a default for folding clamshells to have a dual camera set up on the front cover, and the Razr 40 Ultra follows that template. The primary camera has a large 12-megapixel sensor, with an impressive f1.5 aperture. It's joined by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide that also doubles as a macro lens. Selfie camera. The last camera in history is the selfie camera inside the phone. Motorola has added a 32-megapixel selfie camera to the foldable display. It's the software that we think will have the biggest impact on camera usage. Flex mode, which lets you shoot videos and photos when your phone is at an angle. Hands-free, gives you the freedom to be creative that's hard to get with a standard smartphone tablet. Once again, we reserve full judgment pending proper testing. Powerhouse performance. The Razr 40 Ultra offers an enhanced audio experience with Dolby Atmos. With Dolby Atmos, enjoy a richer multidimensional audio experience that brings out more depth, clarity, and details from your favorite entertainment when enjoyed over the device's two large stereo speakers or headphones. The new spatial sound by Moto also makes sound feel even more immersive and fills the space around the user whether they're listening to music or watching their favorite movie. Activating night mode improves quality by improving sharpness and removing most of the highlights. Battery, 3,800 mAh. That was one of the reasons Motorola chose it, and our testing led to surprisingly good performance from the 3,800 mAh battery inside. Most days, with my own typical usage, which is usually a mixture of social media, video watching, gaming and web browsing for about 2 to 3 hours a day, I'd get to bedtime with around 40% left over. I haven't used the phone long enough yet to give any real idea of battery life, but one of the big improvements on the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 was power efficiency, so I have no doubt the Razr will last all day. I will definitely report back in the coming days anyway. OS, Android 13. Motorola is renowned for its near-standard approach to Android, which is only rivaled by the likes of Nokia and Google itself. And that's just as true of the Razr 40 Ultra as it is with other Android 13 devices like the Motorola Edge 40. Everything I said there is just as true here. Android 13's approach is so close to stock that you can't really complain, and where there are tweaks, they usually benefit the end user. Connectivity. The power button has a built-in fingerprint reader. There are also stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, an NFC module and protection against water and dust according to the IP52 standard. The USB-C port, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3 is responsible for the connection. There is 5G support. First impressions. Recreate the original Razr experience with the push of a button, and take your UI back to 2004. Enjoy a clean Android experience and control your phone with simple gestures. Whether you're going for a run or taking a call in the rain, your water-repellent phone is protected inside and out. 9. Top specs. Flexible screen, optional 144Hz display and stylish design. All this is about a new clamshell from Motorola. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra foldable phones is a good watch for the price. It gives you long battery life. Phones makes your commute easier. If you want to buy the phones, then AliExpress provides original products for you.